The Squarespace Commerce App allows you to manage your Squarespace store on the go. In the Inventory tab, you can change the photo of any of your products. Tap on your product and swipe to add or delete a photo. Click on the description field to make changes to the description. You can also edit the price and stock levels of your product. If you're selling in person at a craft fair or a small boutique store, the Squarespace Commerce App along with the Square Card Reader can be used as a point-of-sale system. You can accept cash or card payments in person that integrate with your online store. Visit our website to learn more about point of sale. In the Orders tab, we can view all of our customer orders that are pending, fulfilled, or canceled. To fulfill an order that is pending, click on a pending order and click Fulfill Order. You can manually enter a tracking number or scan a barcode. Click on Manage for more options such as printing an invoice or issuing a refund. The Customers tab will show you who has purchased from your store. Clicking on a customer's profile will show you how much they have spent at your store and how many orders they've placed. You can send them a message by clicking on their contact information. The Discounts tab allows you to redeem a gift card or issue a discount. Click on gift cards to manually input one and how much to redeem. To add a new discount, such as free shipping, click on Add and complete the applicable fields. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.